Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of French Guiana. This remarkable territory, nestled on the northeastern shoulder of South America, is a vibrant tapestry of emerald rainforests, winding rivers, and a biodiversity so rich it continues to astonish even the most seasoned explorers. I've always been drawn to these hidden corners of our planet, places where nature's ingenuity is on full display, and French Guiana is, without a doubt, one such jewel. It's a land where the air hums with the calls of unseen creatures and the forest floor whispers secrets of ancient ecosystems. Today, we are exploring some of the most mysterious animals that call this place home. These are not merely inhabitants, they are the architects, the engineers, the very soul of this sprawling wilderness. We'll venture deep into the heart of the Amazonian rainforest that blankets this region, seeking out creatures that have evolved in spectacular ways to thrive in this complex environment. From the towering canopy to the shadowy undergrowth and along the life-giving waterways, each encounter promises a deeper understanding of the delicate balance that sustains this incredible biodiversity. Join me, Jeff, as we embark on this extraordinary expedition. We'll peel back the layers of dense foliage and peer into the lives of animals that are masters of camouflage, paragons of power, and symbols of an untamed world. This journey is more than just observation. It's an immersion into a realm where every rustle in the leaves, every shadow in the water could reveal another of French Guiana's enigmatic residents. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer wonder of life in this unique part of our world. Our first encounter takes us high above the forest floor into the realm of a truly majestic predator, the harpy eagle. Imagine, if you will, a bird of such immense power that its talons, each the size of a grizzly bear's claw, can exert hundreds of pounds of pressure. This is no ordinary raptor. It is the apex avian hunter of the South American rainforest, a creature of mythic proportions. Its gaze is intense, its double-crested head giving it an almost regal, if somewhat intimidating, appearance. I find it utterly breathtaking to consider the evolutionary journey that has culminated in such a perfectly adapted hunter, ruling the canopy with an almost effortless grace. The harpy eagle's domain is the sprawling emergent layer of the rainforest, those giant trees that break through the main canopy, offering unparalleled vantage points. From these lofty perches, it surveys its kingdom, its incredibly keen eyesight capable of spotting a sloth or a monkey moving amongst the leaves from astonishing distances. These eagles are masters of the surprise attack, gliding silently through the dense foliage, their broad wings allowing for remarkable maneuverability despite their size. The sheer force of their strike is enough to snatch prey much larger than one might expect, a testament to their raw power and hunting prowess. It's a life lived on the edge, a constant ballet of predator and prey. Witnessing a harpy eagle in its natural habitat is a profound experience. They often form lifelong pair bonds, meticulously building enormous nests, sometimes up to 5 feet across, high in the boughs of the tallest kapok or Brazil nut trees. Raising a single chick is an arduous 2-year commitment for the parents, a significant investment in the future of their lineage. This slow reproductive rate, coupled with habitat loss, makes them particularly vulnerable, reminding us of the delicate balance these magnificent creatures maintain within their ecosystem. Their presence is a vital sign of a healthy, thriving rainforest, a true monarch of this green domain. We now descend from the sun-dappled canopy to the mysterious shaded world of the forest floor, the domain of an animal that embodies both power and elusiveness, the jaguar. This is the America's largest feline, a creature of breathtaking beauty and formidable strength. Its coat, a canvas of golden fur adorned with distinctive black rosettes, rings with a central dot, provides exquisite camouflage amidst the dappled light and shadow of the dense undergrowth. Each pattern is unique, a fingerprint for these solitary hunters. I've spent countless hours hoping for a glimpse, and every sighting feels like a privileged secret shared by the forest itself. The jaguar possesses a physique built for ambush and power. Its stocky, muscular build, relatively short, powerful limbs, and a broad head housing an exceptionally strong jaw are all adaptations for its hunting style. Unlike many other big cats, the jaguar has a unique killing method. It often bites directly through the skull of its prey between the ears, a testament to the incredible force it can generate. Its diet is remarkably varied, ranging from capybaras and peccaries to caiman and even large fish, showcasing its adaptability as a keystone predator. It moves with a silent, deliberate grace, a true phantom of the jungle. What I find particularly fascinating about the jaguar is its deep connection to water. Unlike many felines, jaguars are excellent swimmers and are very much at home in the rivers and swamps that crisscross French Guiana. They will readily enter the water to hunt caiman or turtles, or simply to cool off or travel. This affinity for aquatic environments sets them apart and allows them to exploit a wider range of food sources. Their presence is a critical indicator of the health of the entire ecosystem as they regulate prey populations, ensuring a balanced and vibrant wilderness. To see one is to witness the very essence of the wild. Chapter 3. Our journey now takes us to the lifeblood of French Guiana's interior, its intricate network of rivers and creeks. Here, amidst the flowing waters and lush riverbanks, resides a remarkably social and charismatic mammal, the giant river otter. These are not your average otters. Growing up to 6 feet in length, they are the longest of all otter species and formidable predators in their aquatic realm. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies, powerful tails, and webbed feet make them exceptionally agile swimmers, perfectly adapted to a life spent largely in the water. I'm always enchanted by their energy and the complex social structures they exhibit. Giant river otters live in extended family groups, sometimes numbering up to 20 individuals, led by a dominant breeding pair. These groups, or holts, are highly territorial, patrolling and defending their stretch of river with vigorous scent marking and vocalizations. Their communication is a rich tapestry of whistles, screams, and hums, each conveying specific information to other members of the group. They hunt cooperatively, often working together to corral fish, their primary food source, into shallower waters where they can be more easily caught. This teamwork is crucial for their success in catching elusive prey like piranhas and catfish. The habitat of the giant river otter is typically slow-moving freshwater rivers, creeks and oxbow lakes, especially those with gently sloping banks suitable for denning and easy access to the water. They excavate extensive burrows into the riverbanks, often with multiple entrances, some underwater, providing secure havens for resting and raising their pups. These dens are vital for their survival, offering protection from predators like jaguars and caiman. The health of these riverine ecosystems with clean water and abundant fish stocks is paramount for the continued existence of these magnificent, playful, and utterly captivating creatures of the Amazonian waterways. Chapter 4. As we tread carefully through the leaf litter of the rainforest floor, our attention is drawn to flashes of brilliant color tiny jewels hopping amidst the greens and browns. These are the poison dart frogs, some of the most visually stunning and paradoxically most toxic creatures on Earth. Their vibrant hues, ranging from electric blues and fiery oranges to vivid yellows and greens, are not for mere display. They serve as a stark warning to potential predators. This phenomenon, known as aposematism, is nature's way of saying, "I am dangerous, do not eat me." It's a bold strategy and one that has proven remarkably effective for these small amphibians. The toxicity of these frogs varies greatly between species, and even between populations of the same species, often depending on their diet. They don't synthesize the poisons themselves, but sequester potent alkaloids from the ants, mites, and other small invertebrates they consume. Indigenous communities have, for centuries, carefully extracted these toxins to coat their blowgun darts for hunting, a practice that gave the frogs their evocative name. It's a fascinating example of how humans have learned from and utilized the potent biochemistry of the natural world, a relationship built on deep ecological knowledge. One interesting behavior exhibited by many poison dart frogs is their dedicated parental care, which is quite unusual among amphibians. After the female lays her eggs, often on a leaf or in a damp sheltered spot, it is frequently the male who guards them, keeping them moist and protected from predators. In some species, once the tadpoles hatch, a parent, sometimes the male, sometimes the female, will allow the tadpoles to wriggle onto their back and then transport them one by one to individual tiny pools of water, perhaps in the axils of bromeliad plants, to complete their development. This level of devotion is truly remarkable for such small creatures. Chapter 5. Our final focus takes us back high into the canopy to observe one of its most agile and intelligent inhabitants, the red-faced spider monkey. With their incredibly long, prehensile tails acting as a fifth limb, these primates are supreme acrobats, moving through the treetops with breathtaking speed and agility. Their slender bodies and disproportionately long limbs are perfectly adapted for brachiation, swinging from branch to branch. Watching them navigate the complex, three-dimensional world of the rainforest canopy is like witnessing a masterclass in arboreal locomotion. Their bright red or pinkish faces stand out against their dark fur, giving them a distinctive and somewhat quizzical expression. Red-faced spider monkeys are highly social animals living in fission-fusion societies. This means they form large communities, but often break off into smaller, temporary foraging groups during the day, reuniting later. This flexible social structure allows them to efficiently exploit scattered food resources, primarily ripe fruits, but also leaves, flowers, and occasionally insects. Their diet plays a crucial role in the rainforest ecosystem, as they are important seed dispersers. As they travel through the forest, they excrete the seeds of the fruits they've eaten, helping to regenerate the very trees that sustain them. Despite their arboreal prowess and ecological importance, the red-faced spider monkey faces significant threats, and its conservation status is a matter of growing concern. They are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN, primarily due to habitat loss from deforestation for agriculture, logging, and mining. They're also susceptible to hunting, as their large body size makes them a target. Their slow reproductive rate, with females typically giving birth to a single offspring only every 2 to 3 years, means that populations recover very slowly from decline. Protecting their forest home is not just about saving a single species, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that these charismatic monkeys represent. As our exploration through the verdant depths of French Guiana draws to a close, I am left, as always, with a profound sense of awe for the sheer diversity and ingenuity of life on this planet. From the commanding harpy eagle soaring above the canopy to the vibrant warning of the poison dart frog on the forest floor, each creature we've encountered plays an irreplaceable role in this intricate ecosystem. The stealthy jaguar, the sociable giant river otter, and the acrobatic red-faced spider monkey, all a testament to the millions of years of evolution that have shaped this extraordinary biological heritage. These are just a few of the incredible creatures that make French Guiana a place of wonder and mystery. This land holds countless other secrets, species yet to be discovered, and ecological relationships still to be understood. It serves as a vital reminder of the wildness that still exists on Earth, a wildness that is both precious and increasingly fragile. The survival of these animals and the pristine habitats they depend upon rests heavily on our understanding, our respect, and our commitment to conservation in the face of mounting pressures. Thank you for joining us on this journey. I hope this glimpse into French Guiana's natural world has inspired you as much as it continues to inspire me. The stories held within these rainforests are endless, and the need to protect them is urgent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content as we continue to explore and celebrate the breathtaking biodiversity of our shared world. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring,